Your golf and resort paradise starts here at 14817 Montello Way in the illustrious community of Esplanade at Azario in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. With over 3,000 square feet of contemporary class, the owners spared no expense in including the best of every upgrade. The owner's suite is fit for royalty with a luxurious ensuite bath and a custom walk-in closet to die for. The Lanai has over 500 square feet of covered entertainment space, an outdoor kitchen, and breathtaking views of the golf course. Azario's world-class amenities are second to none, including a resort pool, cabanas, poolside Bahama Bar, on-site dining and culinary center, fitness center, salon and spa, plenty of tennis and pickleball courts, and so much more. With 3 oversized bedrooms, an office, and settled on a golf-deeded lot, this home is a true hole-in-one. For more information about this golfer's paradise home, call or text 941-725-3060.